I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Cindy Pressler. All eyes now are on a strong storm system that's going to be moving through southwest Florida tomorrow. That will bring scattered showers and thunderstorms. Wind with it as well, gusts up to 25 miles per hour. We will be in a slight risk for severe storms, including the possibility of tornadoes and waterspouts. We're going to be keeping an eye up to the sky. Cooler temperatures behind that, and that's going to make for a beautiful Halloween. For lows tonight, we'll drop into the upper 70s to lower 80s. Very mild. We've got a westerly flow coming off the Gulf of Mexico. Going to stay dry, and then tomorrow we'll start to see some scattered showers in the morning, but the main line looks like it's going to be late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, and into early parts of Friday. And again, keep an eye to the sky. Rain chances will be high and then drop as we head into the weekend. That cooler air is certainly going to feel nice. Mostly cloudy skies tonight. This evening, temperatures in the 80s. Full forecast right here on WFTX.